Are you worried about how to use the end of the weft track that is left over without cutting the track? This is a common problem among our stylists because although our weft tracks can be cut, if they are cut, you run the risk of unwinding the entire weft. Through layering, you can not only preserve the weft track, but also get the exact look that you and your client are trying to achieve. Every time a stylist comes into our supply house to buy our hand-tied wefts, we can't help but show them an example of how one of our stylists layers our weft tracks in order to achieve the look they want for their customer. She came up with 3 ways to layer the wefts that we think you guys might be interested in. The first method we call staggering. The first weft track is placed below the second and sewn together. This allows for the group of tracks to fit flat against the scalp. The second method we call a sandwich. The track is folded into thirds and sewn together to create a sandwich. This is typically used for the nape area of the head. The last method we call the fold and stagger. Multiple weft tracks are placed in the center in a staggered fashion and sewn together. One track is added to each side, then folded in half and sewn together. This long piece is created to be placed in the middle of the scalp with a thicker staggered area in the back of the head. The folded ends are tapered for the side of the head. These wefts were in the customer's head for months and they still look new. These wefts were treated correctly by the stylist and her client. We also have a variety of quality control checks that we do on every single bundle of hair that we sell to ensure longevity. Also, stay tuned for our comprehensive hair extensions maintenance guide that we're going to distribute to all of our stylists to send home with their clients to ensure that their hair has longevity and they get the most out of their investment in their hair extensions. Feel free to shop our wefts by clicking the link in the description below. Also, if you have any more questions about how to layer our wefts or any of these techniques we discussed in this video, feel free to comment below or email me directly at egarfinkel@haircompounds.com and I'll be responding to all comments and questions. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.